Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO F7 and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's begin with wiping the cache in specific apps. All we have to do is to open the settings, and here let's scroll down to find the apps. Let's tap. Right here we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device, and basically all I recommend here is to go through all of those apps and to remove cache. So let's start, for example, with the Facebook. Just tap on the specific app and go to the storage, which is at the top. Here we've got the cache, and unfortunately in my case I do not have any cache saved here, so let me find the app which actually have cache, so I can remove how to do it. Here we've got the cache. So just tap on clear data here, and now we've got two different options. So clear all data or clear cache. And be sure to click on the cache, so clear cache, and confirm it with OK, because if you will choose clear, delete all data, as you can see after removing the cache, we've got only one information. Basically the information, the app data, files, settings, accounts, everything will be permanently deleted. So I'm not sure if you want to do it. Just make sure to remove cache, and I highly recommend to go through all of those apps to basically to remove the cache, so the junk files which are occupying a lot of memory. Another thing is to basically use the pre-installed app, which will actually help you to remove the data and free up space. So I've got them in the tools, but for sure you've got this cleaner app. It's pre-installed on this device by the developer, so for sure you've got one. Just tap on the cleaner, just give the permissions, and as you can see, your device will basically count everything, so the trash size, the cache files, packages, memory, etc. So I highly recommend to simply tap on clean up, and your device will automatically do that. However, it will not automatically remove the cache for specific apps. That's why I shown you the first option. Sorry, I just wanted to check something. All right, here you've got also the deep clean. So instead of entering the cleaner, you can go to the security, and here we've got the deep clean. So you can also remove some, let's say, advanced options like the data from uninstalled apps, or you can uninstall the app. You can clear up data, delete photos, etc. And to finish everything, to confirm everything, I highly recommend to simply reset your device. Just press the power button and the volume up button like that, and go to reboot, for example, and then your device will be powered off and then powered on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.